The photoelectric current from Na with a work function W naught is equals to 2.3 electrovolts is stopped by the output voltage of the cell H2 1 bar HCl with an aqueous pH of 1. The aqueous pH of HCl required to stop the photoelectric current form with a W naught of 2.25 electrovolt with all the other conditions remaining same is what we need to find. We are also given this specific reaction from which we can get our answer. We know that the energy of photon is equals to 2.3 minus the electron cell for Na, which comes up to be 0.22 plus 0.06 log of H plus Cl minus plus 0.05, which is equal to 0.2 plus 0.06 log of H plus and Cl minus. From this specific equation, after solving, we can find the pH is equals to 7 by 12, which is 0.58. We can multiply the 0.58 by 100, and from which we get the answer to be 58.